In a shocking announcement today, NASA has revealed that recent spectrographic analysis of the atmosphere of a distant exoplanet has confirmed the existence of organic compounds in the atmosphere that, quote, almost indisputably indicate the presence of extraterrestrial life.
This is the most conclusive evidence for extraterrestrial life we have ever discovered. Based on what we know at this time, the compounds we discovered on OJ4456 likely indicate the presence of organic, carbon-based life that has been shaping the climate of the planet for millions of years. Needless to say, this is a watershed moment, not only for humanity, but for my personal speculative evolution world-building project.
However, not everyone at NASA is happy about the discovery, which raises critical questions about humanity's origins, the place of human beings in the universe, and the degree to which we can take creative liberties when making up stories about aliens. According to some researchers, it, quote, completely ruins the entire premise of the sci-fi genre.
I mean, how many sci-fi stories are about the discovery of extraterrestrial life? It's about half of them at least, right? And why shouldn't it be? It's one of the most compelling concepts in all of fiction. But guess what? Now it's no longer sci-fi, now it's relegated to the dusty old history departments. I was at least hoping for an Independence Day style battle, or a few confirmed abductions or something like that, but this is just nothing. It's nothing and it's everything at the same time.
While according to some, the developments completely kill all hope of ever writing compelling sci-fi again, for others they merely indicate a need to return to the drawing board.
I don't know about everybody else here, but the whole reason I joined the astrobiology department at NASA was to gather information for my SpecEvo world-building project. I'm basically going to have to put all that on hold though until we get more information about OJ4456, which sucks.
I was sure the first aliens were going to be silicon-based. I was sure of it. Now I have all these sketches of a race of silicon-based sophonts and it's all bunk. And I lost $50. Terrible day.
Unfortunately, due to the 79 light-years between Earth and OJ4456, it may be centuries before we can learn more about life on the mysterious planet. NASA is reportedly investigating options to launch a probe to the planet, but are hindered by the fact that space is, quote, really stupidly big, and that, quote, we never get funding anyway because this isn't even the most interesting thing to happen in the news in the last week. Meanwhile, the Science Fiction and Fantasy Writers Association have temporarily declared the sci-fi genre to be on hiatus until we can learn more about OJ4456.
At this time, I cannot say when or if the sci-fi genre will be declared relevant again, but I wouldn't get your hopes up. I mean, what are we going to do? Write about life on OJ4456 only to have everything we've written become irrelevant by the time we get there? No, that'd be stupid. It sucks, but it's what needed to be done. I need a drink.
In other news, a young physicist from Portugal has reportedly unified quantum mechanics and general relativity, stating that it was, quote, super easy, actually, when you think about it, and thus eliminating any last hope for sci-fi authors that there are any interesting mysteries left in the universe worth exploring through fiction. From Generic News Network, I'm Dan Butler.